In this video, I'll show you how to fix the copy error in PDF files. If you're on Windows, you can skip to the second method. But for this first method on macOS, when you try to copy a line of text in the file by pressing Command-C, you might get a prompt asking for a password to do this. To fix this, click on the Info icon on the toolbar. Then click on the padlock icon. Here, you'll see what permissions the owner has set for this PDF. In this case, you only have permission to print, not to edit or do anything else. Here's what you can do. Press Command-P or go to the File menu and select Print. Then, at the bottom of the print window, click on this little icon and choose Save as PDF. And hit Save. Now you'll have a brand new PDF file. When you open this new PDF and check the permissions again, you'll see that it has all the permissions granted, and now you can copy and edit it freely. For the second method, if you're using Windows, you can upload the original PDF file to Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, double-click to open that PDF. Then, look for the print icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Next, click on the download icon. Finally, open the file you just downloaded and check it again. You'll see that the permissions have been reset, and you now have full rights to edit the file.